Ready for some outdoor cleaning? Well, don't forget your colors. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Coming up, a colorful interpretation of pressure washers right after this.
Does the outside of your home need a little TLC? Then enter the Elevate Your Exterior contest now at todayshomeowner.com/contest. The winner will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner TV along with a great exterior makeover for their home, complete with Therma-Tru doors, Fiberon decking, and 5-pond decorative millwork. Contest ends May 24th, 2020, so enter today at todayshomeowner.com/contest. Brought to you by Therma-Tru doors, Fiberon decking, and 5-pond decorative millwork.
Pressure washers are fantastic tools when it comes to outdoor cleaning, but have you ever noticed the different colors of the available spray nozzles? Knowing those colors will help you choose the right tip for the right job. Those color codes tell you what pattern of spray the tip produces. The white tip is a 40-degree fan, perfect for rinsing or for delicate washing like windows. Green is the most versatile with a 25-degree spray pattern. It delivers good impact cleaning to remove grime and dirt. Your yellow tip, often called the chiseling tip, produces a 15-degree pattern and is the choice you want to remove peeling paint or mildew. Finally, there's red. This is the tip with no pattern at all. It sends out a fine pencil point and concentrated burst. While the nozzle is best for cleaning metal machinery, it also works great to remove grass from cracks in the sidewalk. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.